Welcome to my home lab. In this new video we're going to update Portainer and Portainer agent. Go to resources, documentation. See here the latest update 2.27, long time support, and go to update Portainer. You see here, update order. It's recommended to update first Portainer and then Portainer agent. The first thing is for Portainer business. We do it manual. Updating a Docker standalone. And here we have the command. Docker stop Portainer, Docker remove Portainer. Here be careful to select the right one. You see it's a little different, but still needs the community edition. To pull the latest image and run it. Also be careful to select the right one. So we go to PuTTY, log in, password, and we are in. Now we select the first command, stop Portainer. That's okay. Remove Portainer, copy it. Also okay. Then pull the latest image. Downloading now. See it, downloading. Extracting. And it's finished. Last command is run Portainer. Copy it. And run it. And okay. Now we go to Portainer and log in. Admin, password, and voila, you can see it. Community edition 2.27.0 long term support. Now we need to update agent. You select local, tags, Portainer agent. Editor. The only thing we need to change is here. We do LTS. We can see that here, updating. See it here. Image Portainer agent LTS. Updating, repull image, update. We have to download it, so we wait a little bit and take some time. And we have success. Stack successfully deployed. Now we go to containers. See it here, Portainer agent LTS. Press, log out, and log in again. Okay, voila. You can dismiss it. We are back in business. 2.27.0. That was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up so you don't miss new content. Thank you very much. See you later.